Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2017 GMC Yukon SLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5.3-liter Ecotec engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, backup camera, nice little roof spoilers. We do have roof rails as well as racks, mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front, we do have a license plate bracket, front park seat sensing, and that nice GMC grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with a powered liftgate, which provides you tons of storage. You have seating for up to 8. These seats are folded down, little hooks, cup holders, stuff like that. You can collapse your rows from here and reopen them, 12 volt, and lifting this up. Oh, we do have a fair bit of storage right there as well. And to close it, all you have to do, hit that button right there and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 8. We do have this nice black leathering, plenty of door space with leathering in the door, wood accents. We do have 120 volt outlet, you have your own climate controls, 12 volt, heated middle seats, plus USBs, HDMI, aux, storage, and of course if you don't need that extra person, this does fold down for 2 cup holders and some arm space and a nice little storage. And we do have, DVD screen, which is pretty nice, and you have your own controls for it just right there. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space, as well as memory seating, powered mirrors, wood accents, storage, and we do have our lights, four-wheel drive, locking differential, and trailer just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 80,057 kilometers. We have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, voice, toggle-free screen, phone, heated steering wheel function, collision, and cruise control. And looking at your main screen here, you can go for your info, audio, phone, navigation, and settings. Look over here, you got cup holders, wireless charging pad, as well as you can lift it up for your headphones and 12 volt and more storage. Storage right there with the 12 volt, 2 USBs, heated and cooled front seats, climate controls in the back, heated and cooled front seats for the front, dual climate up front, volume, menu, home, back, media, radio, so on and so forth. Storage right there. And looking at your main screen right here, nice, and you do have your moonroof capabilities right there. And you can open your liftgate from there, garage door transmitter. And looking at your main screen here, you have your audio, phone, projection, navigation, so on and so forth. There's your traffic, OnStar, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7742, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.